Hey everybody, I'm here in central office with something that you would not believe that we have rescued from the IAA construction site. I have in my hand a letter from 1972, and I just happen to have Principal Shai here in central office, so I'm going to give this to her to open up.
Gosh.
Let's see what we got.
Do you think we have a check in here?
Can we post
That would
it?
be amazing. It's from Charles D. Elias, MSW, in San Francisco. Wow, where did we get this?
It was PCI rescued it for us behind some of those seating units.
Ah,
Is it a resume?
no, it is it is a resume. No, it's for a training. It's a 1-week training. I think we missed the date. Yeah, it's professional actibles in 1972.
1972.
Cool.
Just missed the date.
1970. We just missed the date. I was 1 year old.
Well, there you have it. We rescued the mail from the new building.
Yeah.
Can't wait to have you all in there as soon as possible. We are still on time and on budget.
Bye.